What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Pew back with another review. Today I got the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Rewind. I'm giving you 5 reasons why it's a must-have in the house with pets coming up right now. So the very first thing I want to talk about, guys, is what this thing comes with, which is the vacuum cleaner itself and three head attachments for the hose itself, which we'll get into a little bit later. Okay, also guys, this thing is not cheap. This is one of the more expensive things I've done on my channel. This thing is a $260 price tag on it. Of course though, I'm gonna go online, see if I can find better deals for y'all as usual. And if I do, I'm gonna post links in the description below, so make sure you check that out. All right guys, so the goal for this video is to hit 15 likes. So if you like what you see, if you get value out of what you see, make sure you hit that like button. It takes you 1 second and it helps me out a bunch. Number 5 on why this is a must-have in the house is the deep rug cleaning feature on this thing. If you have rugs in your house, let me tell you right now, this thing cleans deep. It sits super low to the floor, so it gets a super deep clean in the rugs. I'm actually going to show y'all a preview of how that works right now. Here's your quick release right here again, and if you hit this button, you get a bunch of stuff that comes out. That's where your dirt comes out at. Now you do have a filter that is up here, but actually you don't have to go in there and get it with your hands because that's nasty. If you you actually can go and get it from right here. So you don't have to reach in there where all the dust is and stuff. I mean, you'll get some dust up top, but it's not reaching inside this container like some do. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna get my hands disgusting dirty like I said I was not gonna do. And just to show y'all. All right. I'd say that's pretty good. I'm gonna snap this baby back in place. I'm gonna show y'all how it cleans. Number 4 on the list will be the tangle-free brush roll. That's right, guys. So you don't have to worry about your hair getting tangled up in the vacuum cleaner no more. I know for me, when I was growing up, I always had to flip the vacuum over, get a knife or get whatever, pull it out with my hands, or even take the roller out itself and clean it up. You don't have to worry about that. They got this done right. No more tangles, no more mess, no more time hassle. Just good old clean rugs, floors, and couches. Which also leads me to the next point of the attachment on here for the couches. It actually has the same technology built into it. So if you have long furry pet friends on the couches, cats, dogs, your husband with his back hair, doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about the hair getting tangled up in that as well. Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm here. I'm gonna set this thing to the test. This is the ottoman I have right here, and I'm gonna dump some dirt on it from the vacuum cleaner itself, so real nasty stuff, and show y'all how it cleans real quick. So first thing first is I'm gonna grab my bin. Remember that release I was telling y'all about? No hassle. There it goes. That's nasty. I got quite literally just blew up in my face. I hit that release button. Throw my pet turbo eraser on here. Turn the vacuum on. Let's see if this thing actually does There you go. Number 3 on the list is gonna be the detachable hose, which is also the handle. They have built it in. There's no extra hose attached to this thing. It makes it super convenient. I'm actually gonna show you how that works right now. All right guys, so I'm gonna do a quick test on this to show y'all what it looks, how it picks up dirt and stuff. I got it all on my table. This is just what I'm using. Just detaches to the bottom of the hose. I'll show y'all how that comes off here in a second, but it just clips in here like this, like so. Hit the button to turn it on. All right, guys, so I'm here. As you can see, I got it set up. I wanted to be able to show y'all and get, up close and personal with this thing with y'all. So this is the wand release. I want to show you real quick. The handle's right here. I apologize for this. I mean, it is what it is. I'm trying to hook y'all up with good video and content here. But you just hit this button right here for the wand release, and this thing pops out. It's the hose, but it's also the handle. And then, like I said, you just attach your attachments right into it, and you're good to go. And then when you're done, all it takes quite literally is to slide it back in till you hear a click, and you're good to go. Number 2 on the list is the easy dump bin feature. I know for me personally, having to clean out the bags in the old vacuum cleaners, or some of the vacuum cleaners have the dump bin feature, but it's not as nice as this. Number 1 on the list is the retractable cable. Now this thing is awesome. So when you're done cleaning the floors, or you're done cleaning your couches or whatever, you just hit a button, unplug it from the wall, and hit a button, and you'll let it roll itself up. You don't have to worry about that no more. Yes, it's not cordless, but it's pretty dang cool being able to roll itself up. Now if I could just fold my laundry and put it up as well, that'd be great. All right, guys, I'll just do the cable on the ground right there. I had it plugged in to do that test a second ago. Here's your button to bring it back. So I'm just gonna move it up just a little bit so you can see the cable. Just hung up a little bit. Boom. Cable all the way back in. No winding up here. All right, guys, so is there any cons on this thing? I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm not really, the only con I can really talk about on this thing is how low it sits to the floor. You actually are not able to pick up debris stuff at the size of Cheerios, for an example. So if you have Cheerios size stuff on there, you're not gonna be able to pick it up. But then again, you can always just take that hose up and pick that stuff up real quick, snap it back in, and keep vacuuming. So it's not that big of a deal to me. And also the reason why it's that low is so you can get that good suction underneath to get deep cleaning in your carpets. So really, personally for me, I'd much rather have cleaner rugs and get all that dirt and debris and that nastiness out from underneath them that's hiding that we never get to see in our eye than to pick up Cheerios off the ground. So for me, it's not that big of a con, but if I had to pick a con, that would probably be it. All right, guys, so there you have it. 5 reasons why this is a must-have in the house, especially if you have dogs that shed a lot. This thing picks it up, keeps the house nice and clean, and it really just does such a good job. Also, guys, if you liked what you've seen, please hit that like button. Again, it takes a second. It helps me out tremendously. If you haven't subbed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like this video, maybe you'll like my air fryer video I did. I'll post it right here, right now, and you can click on that, check it out. Until next time, guys, always be safe. Thanks for watching. Later.